All right, so y'all, this is a problem here out of 0.3, and we're multiplying these two fractions together times 11 over 15. So one option we have is we can just go straight across and we can say, look, that's going to give me 33, and I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to say, let me clear this out. What's 77 times 15? I don't know, but it's going to be a big number. 1155, right? Okay, so the issue with this here, guys, and it's not that I can't do it, it's just that it's going to be more cumbersome because now I'm trying to figure out how can I reduce those numbers. So I want you to think about something. When we're reducing numbers, we're saying what number can I divide into the top number and into the bottom number. So instead of me doing this, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to say, look, I'm going to take a number on the top and I want to ask myself, can I reduce it with any of those numbers on the bottom? And I might say, yeah, look, 3 and 15, right? If I were to come back over here, y'all, let me see. I think I have a multiplication table on here, right there. Here we go. Okay, so let me zoom in here. And so if I look at 3 and 15, I know I can divide them both by 3, right? So 3 goes into 3 once, and it goes into 15 5 times. So I'm dividing both of these numbers by 3, okay? So that's going to go in 1 time. We said that was going to go in 5 times. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to look at 77, and I'm going to look at 11. Okay, so right here, I see 11, and I see 77, and they're in the 11 column. So I can divide 11 goes into 11 once, and it goes into 77 7 times, okay? So I'm dividing both of these here by 11, okay, dividing. So we said 11 goes into 11 once, and 11 goes into 77 7 times. And now all I'm going to do is multiply straight across. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 7 times 5 is 35, okay? So this is another way of going about doing it, and what it does is my numbers are smaller. I can use my chart because, you know what, in my chart, I might see a 33, but I'm probably not going to see an 1155, right? And when my numbers are smaller, I can use my chart. I can make it a little bit easier. It's kind of like I'm breaking it down to smaller pieces, right? So breaking it down to smaller pieces, usually it's a little bit of an easier way to go. Y'all got any questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.